Hey everyone, today I want to show you how I transform my long-form content into a month's worth of social media clips without losing my mind in the editing bay. These edits aren't magic, they are the result of using an AI tool that handles everything from clip selection to scheduling. In this video, I will walk you through my exact process for taking raw footage and turning it into high-performing content. First, let's talk about how the tool works with both free and paid accounts because it's important to know your limitations up front. While the free tier gives you a surprising amount of automation, the paid plans unlock branded templates and advanced scheduling. Unlike manual timeline editors that force you to scrub for hours, this AI is designed to find the most shareable moments in your footage. It is heavily optimized for spoken content like podcasts, interviews, and long-form tutorials. Just a heads up, if your video is mostly music or a DJ set, this probably isn't the right tool for that specific use case. Now, let's open the dashboard and get started with your first project. I almost always start with a horizontal project because that represents my master long-form file. You can drag and drop your video files, pull them from the cloud, or even record directly inside the platform. Pro tip, if you have multiple takes of the same segment, upload them all at once so the AI can compare them. If you are recording in-app, using a browser like Chrome usually results in the smoothest experience for your camera and screen capture. Once the footage is uploaded, you can let the AI run its analysis or guide it with your own custom markers. I personally like to mark the high energy moments and then ask the AI for specific clip lengths for TikTok and Reels. Hit auto edit and within minutes it will scan the entire runtime to isolate the best highlights for you. It will even propose multiple variants including caption-heavy cuts and punchy B-roll sequences. This saves me hours of work compared to the old-school way of scrubbing and trimming every single clip manually. One of my favorite features is how it identifies the viral hook in the first few seconds of your video. If you sometimes ramble before getting to your point, this automated hook detection is an absolute game changer. Next up are the captions, which are automatically generated and perfectly timed to your speech. You can edit these chunks inline to fix any weird spelling errors or to adjust the line breaks. If you are a pro user, you can even upload your specific brand fonts so the style matches your personal aesthetic. It is always a good idea to glance through the first few clips to ensure names or specialized terms are spelled correctly. Now, for resizing your content, you can convert a horizontal clip into a vertical format with just one click. The Smart Reframe tool automatically crops or zooms on the most relevant subject in the frame. It even ensures that your captions remain perfectly legible even after the resizing process is complete. I recommend doing your heavy trimming to remove filler words before you generate the final captions. Let's talk about the scheduling feature, which is honestly my favorite part of the entire platform. The auto schedule feature lets you set your posting frequency so you don't have to think about it daily. You can integrate your social accounts to post directly to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. The content calendar is where you can drag and drop clips and change your copy at a glance. It's a massive relief to manage everything from hashtags to thumbnails all in one central location. While there are other tools that handle captions or trimming, this one brings the entire package together. That means less context switching and a much faster path from your raw file to a published post. One quick caveat, AI suggestions are helpful, but they aren't always gospel, so keep your creative eyes open. Think of this AI as your diligent assistant that does the grunt work so you can focus on the creative decisions. For those with multiple speakers, be sure to tag them early so the AI knows who is talking at any given time. When you are ready to finish, exporting is simple whether you need single clips or a full batch of files. If you are working with a team, you can invite collaborators to leave comments and approve clips before they go live. Ultimately, if you make long-form content, this workflow will help you turn that gold into a stack of ready-to-publish assets. Other tools might be cheaper, but they rarely offer this level of end-to-end automation for repurposing video. If you have made it this far, drop a comment and tell me what type of long-form content you create. I would love to know if you are doing podcasts, webinars, or interview series so I can tailor my next video for you. Thanks for watching, and if you are ready to stop grinding through timelines, go ahead and give this workflow a try. Go out there, edit smarter, not harder, and I will see you in the next one.